Here is the guide on crypto launch pool strategy using MEXC and Binance. In order to perform this strategy, you need to deposit money into your Binance account. Now convert your USDT into steem. So I've got 1539.259 in my wallet. Once you head over to MEXC, click on wallet, click on deposit, click on on-chain deposit, search steem, click on steem. Now you copy the deposit address and your memo tag. Remember, your memo tag is very important. Copy. The deposit address is a general deposit address. Your memo tag is your unique memo tag. Everybody on MEXC has the same deposit address, but your memo tag is different. After copying the memo tag, head back home. Click on home, click on profile, then click on security. Click on access security setting. Click on withdrawal address. Click on add address. On the search bar, search steem. In the address bar, you input your address you are depositing into the pool. The memo tag, you input your memo tag. The memo tag you copy. You remember your memo tag is your unique ID. Confirm. Your address has been added to your MEXC account. Now, you are going to copy this address. This address is what you are going to be using in your Binance to deposit into your MEXC account. MEXC steem pool with your memo tag. Head over to your Binance, click on asset, click on send, on chain withdrawal, click on steem, address. Remember the address you add to your MEXC account, MEXC steem pool, then your memo tag, steem mass. We are withdrawing 1539. Click on withdraw, click on confirm, click on continue, verify now. Scam risk alert. Withdraw to my own address. Click on confirm. Withdrawal successful. Deposit in progress. As you can see, I made 4%. Remember, you can only do this 5 times a day.